Hello you guys. Today is going to be a video that is quite different. It's going to be my my go-to makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm going to name it yet, but that's just something that just came to my head. But anyway, today I'm just going to show you not the hairstyles, the makeup that I go to on days that I feel like being dolled up and made up is pretty natural. So yeah, let's get into the video. Can't wait, y'all. I can't wait, y'all. Alrighty. First, we are going to start with, if you hear a little bit of rumbling, it's because I'm like going through all of my things. Yeah. I have like more makeup than people would actually think I have, which is weird. Like, you know, I don't wear makeup like that. But this is basically what I go through. And mind you, I had already set my face, like I primed it, whatever. I just can't find the primer I used. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I just can't find the primer that I used. But anyway, I primed my face already. So next we are going to start with, and mind you, I just want to make a disclaimer, I am not a makeup guru. I barely put makeup on my face, but you know, I put it on my face sometimes, but I have this look that I actually do love, and it's very natural. So do not criticize me. I'm not the makeup guru. I am not the person who puts makeup on every single day. Maybe 3 times a month I do, type of thing. Probably more than that, but I'm just not a makeup guru. So I just want y'all to be aware of that before y'all start criticizing. Oh, you did that wrong. Honey, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just new to this. I love makeup though, and I'm learning. So yeah, so I'm going to start with basically my concealer. So I'm going to be looking in my viewfinder over here to look where I'm putting this concealer at. So oh, maybe not. That's too dark, I think. Mind you, I bought this makeup during the summer months of 2018. So it's gonna be a bit darker. Let me move my hair. It's gonna be a bit darker than usual, I think. And I'm just going to use my blender to blend that in. And I don't use much makeup. I really don't. So if you're like, oh, you didn't put enough on, nah, that's not me. I don't use a lot of makeup, I should say. Oh, I forgot a spot. See? Told y'all. And I barely put makeup on my face. Oh, by the way, this makeup is from RK by Kiss. I don't know if y'all could see this, but yeah. And I got this from the beauty supply store. I really do not know how this is going to turn out, guys. But I hope it turns out good. Keep getting spots. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can even. Oh man, hold on. And I'm also looking at my camera that's behind me. Okay. Now that I'm done with that, I typically go to my brows. And with my brows, you know, I already have like thick eyebrows, so I don't have to do much to, you know, make them look spiffy. So I use my Instant Flake eyelash. That's what I use. Me false lash in a tube. And I really do not know who this is by, but it's RLMA02 Black. And basically I just use this to straighten my brow up a bit. I actually do need my eyebrows done. Oh man, I think I already messed up already. Hold on. Yep, I use spit. Sorry guys, my camera went out. So I believe I was on I did my concealer and my lash. So yeah, this is what I use on my brows as well as my lash. And like I said before, I usually go like pretty natural with my stuff. So I don't like all that makeup on my face. So yeah, that's what I put on for my lashes. Looks pretty natural, right? So next, I'm telling y'all, like, this is like really simple on the stuff that I use. Next I use my Fenty Beauty. It's the bronzer for Fenty Beauty. It's all messed up. And you guys, this is in rum. So yeah. And I usually put it underneath my brow, over my cheek line, where my high cheekbones are, just to like insinuate. Just insinuate those, you know? And what I do is I take my brush. I had this brush for so long, like I don't even know the name of it, but I did get it from Target. I take my brush and I just go in with that. I also put it on this part of everything. Yeah. And I smooth it around with my brush. Forget. Yeah. Next, you guys, what I do as far as like my like how I darken around my edges, I forgot the name of that, like what is it called, but I take this, which is really old, like, well, it's not really that old, but I can't remember the name of it, and I take that, and it is a bronzer slash like foundation. It's almost gone, guys, so I use this a lot. And I just go around my edges with it. I do like this. Just to bronze it up a bit. It's like a powder, to be honest. And I do it that. And then next I use my foundation, and it's this color. And this came in the same like pack. I do not remember the name of them, sorry. But yeah, it came in the same pack, and what I do is I just go like this. Take it, go like this. Make sure I smile so it can get the blush look. And it is blush, I'm sorry. And smooth that in. Like so. I may just end up doing my eyebrows, like, tell you the truth. And I smooth that in it like so. And next I use this Makeup Forever Professional Paris HD High Definition powder. And I know they have like the brown one for this, but I have not brought it yet. But I just use this to set my face. Like underneath the eye. I set it around my cheekbone. And I just shake it and just set it, baby. Set everything. Alright? So now that I have that, next I use the oh, hold on you guys. I'm forgetting something. Hold on. I use my eyeliner pencil, and I know this is from NYX eyeliner, and it's in black. So I use that too for our eye. Yeah. Okay. I use that basically to go around my eye. Next, I am going to use my my lip gloss. It's my go-to, and it is Jelly Lippies from RK by Kiss. And I absolutely love this lip gloss. It gets my lips popping, and it's so good. And you don't need a lot. Like, I have really big lips, so I don't need a lot. And after that, I apply my Beauty Intuition that I got from Christmas. Half of this stuff is like faded away on these products because I use them so much. And it's like a shimmer color. See? And I just use it on my lips for some shimmer. And that's it for as far as for the makeup goes. I told you I was like pretty natural. I then apply my earrings. Maybe I'll get better at this makeup stuff and start like doing some like real like professional videos on makeup, because I'm not even going front, no need to toot my own horn, but once I get the hang of something, like it's pretty easy for me to catch on and become great at it. So I'm applying my Michael Kors necklace. Wait, hold on. To set the look. So cute. And I'm just looking in the camera, but yeah, guys. That's just basically what I do for my makeup on the everyday look. Hope you all liked it. If you want more videos like this, once I get like better at what I'm doing, please hit the like, subscribe, and the bell button to get the exact moment when I post a new video. I want to thank you all for tuning in and watching this simple makeup tutorial from a newbie who does not know how to do makeup, and I think I did really good from the looks of it. I think I did good. I have to learn how to put on eyeshadow and the different layers of eyeshadow on which part it goes on. So I'm working on that because I really want to put that out, because I really enjoy makeup and doing it when I do it. I almost forgot something. Y'all probably remember this from my last video. It's the Escape Woman's Oil, and if you have not watched my favorites for March, I advise you to watch it because it's the bomb. And I just basically talk about my favorites and the things that I enjoyed in the month of March. And mostly everything in that video is like I've been using for a very long time, like way beyond March, way before March. And I just decided to put it in a March video. So that's the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.